everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. And yeah, my voice is still a little bit on the croaky side, so I do apologize for that. It's been about, what day is it today? It's Friday, and I started to get sick Sunday, so it's been a week. I feel all right. It's just, yeah, just getting over the last dregs of it. So in today's video, I thought I would show you how I'm going to make my own window pane or window frame. So this is going to be a decor piece that I want to put in my bedroom as part of my Farmhouse bedroom makeover series. Yeah, so I have two pieces that are 500mm long and two pieces that are 700mm long. So that's going to make up the frame. And what I got my husband to do, because he doesn't like me touching his power tools, is I got him to just pre-drill a couple of holes on the two longer pieces. So on there and then on the other side of that. So I've got my pre-drilled holes. And the way it's going to be going together is like this. I've got some smaller pieces that are going to make up the panes on the inside. So what I'm going to do now is just screw these pieces, screw them and glue them together. Okay, so that's our base. Pretty simple. Now for the rods themselves, like these are going to be the panes that are going over on the inside. So this part you'll need to measure quite carefully because you want it to be a pretty tight fit. So, and I would cut it just a little bit bigger then you need it, and then file it down with some sandpaper. I think that will be the best way to get a most accurate fit. I want it that way. I think that way. So we'll get some sandpaper. Okay, so now we'll space these out so that they're even, and we'll just glue them in place. Okay, so we'll just let that dry now and then we'll come back and paint it. Okay, so next what we're going to do is, I've got some wood stain here. It's pretty much on its way out, so it's not great, but I'm just going to use some of this to stain it, and then I'm going to paint over it with some white. So yeah, this is pretty much on its last legs. It's pretty much turned to jelly, as you can see, but there's a little bit of liquid still at the bottom, so I'm hoping I can get some of that used at least. Okay, so the stain's all dry now. So what we're going to do now is paint it all white, and then we're going to distress it. So that's about it as far as painting, and then we'll go over it later and distress certain areas. Okay, so last step, we're just going to do a really light de-stressing just to bring some of that brown paint coming through. So there you go, guys, there's the finished window frame. I've just put a couple of little bit of greenery in the corner there, but I'm not sure that's going to stay. I've just hung it up with a couple of screws just in the corner there that aren't really that noticeable. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it's actually turned out. I like the rustic sort of feel to it. And yeah, if you can't find your own vintage window frame, well, at least you can have a go at making your own. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in farmhouse decor and farmhouse DIYs, because that's what I'll be doing on my channel for the month of February while I give my bedroom a makeover. I've still got quite a few more projects in store for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.